Ready to measure success through the eyes of your customer? HappyFox Satisfaction Survey Report transforms raw customer feedback into clear, actionable insights in your help desk. These surveys are automatically or manually triggered after certain support interaction, allowing users to rate their experience. With a quick glance, you can gauge customer sentiment and measure support quality by reviewing key metrics like total feedback received and rating scores. Let's now navigate to Reports and then to Satisfaction Survey. The summary pane provides an immediate overview of Satisfaction Survey, including count of feedback received, customer satisfaction score, counts of satisfied and neutral responses. You can easily refine the data displayed by working with the following parameters. Select the desired categories for which you want the statistics to be based upon. Define the time period for the report, and the survey statistics will populate based on the corresponding tickets created during that time. You have the option to apply additional filters based on specific criteria. For example, pulling out survey details for a specific assignee. The report provides comprehensive widgets for deeper analysis, including survey distribution across survey metrics, agent distribution across survey metrics, top agent metrics, top contact metrics. Access to this report is governed by the View Satisfaction Survey Reports permission under Roles and Permissions. The Satisfaction Survey Report instantly reveals which agents and contacts drive feedback, providing the insights needed to quickly optimize service delivery. If you need more help, click on Support to chat, submit a ticket, or read our knowledge base articles. You can also visit our HappyFox University to continue watching more videos like this one.